Good morning, everyone. It is May 11th, and we're going to be down here doing several things today with our beehive. It's a very cool morning here. We've had a horrific hailstorm 2 days ago, and we are ready to do a full hive inspection. And we're going to add something today. We're going to add a super so that we think our bees are ready to start making honey. So we ordered the super and it came. I'll show it to you right here. Aiden is busy lighting the smoker.
It's really hard to start.
Here's our super.
It's going. It's like I'm gonna keep trying. It's not like he said. Okay, it's if it goes out.
We have rosemary in our smoker today, but the bees aren't very active because it's cool. So we're just gonna let them know we're here and check things out. Okay, Caden, are you ready to lift that
This thing?
the hive lid?
Oh. Yeah.
No. Lift it off and let's take a look at it.
Ooh,
Wow.
it's not good. What happened to all the comb on here?
I don't know.
I remember last time there was a bunch of
No, I
comb
think
right
it's
here.
on this. Oh, we need the hive tool.
Okay, and I think the smoker's out.
Yeah, let's get the hive tool. Well, we do have some
Here.
dead bees here.
You can keep trying to light it.
Oh, just a minute.
Where is the hive? Ah. Well, this isn't promising.
Here.
Ooh, hear 'em? I don't think they like that.
Mr. Randy had us put this on differently.
Oh yeah, they're mad. They're mad.
Okay.
I think we got a flame maybe. Maybe.
Lots of propolis, which is the wax.
We get a flame? We got a flame.
All right.
Oh, never mind.
Puff it. Okay, bring it around back. It's okay. Yeah, we got smoke. We got smoke. We do.
Finally. We need to make more sugar.
Yes, we do need to make more sugar water.
Ooh, yeah.
Woo-wee.
Well, that's a good thing.
I don't think we're going to pull up these racks today
Why?
because we're just going to add the super. But looking good. Very full hive, very
It's
active.
out. It's out.
Yep, still smoking. It's okay, guys. We're here to help. Okay, Caden. So, we're just going to add this. And if you'll notice, the super box, these are smaller frames. And so that's what they're going to go in. And hopefully this whole thing will be filled with honey. That's the whole idea of a super box. So we're going to do everything else the same. Hopefully they know to come up, start making honey. And we are going to need to get make our sugar water. So we're gonna do a very quick video on how to make the sugar water because we've never made it before, but we have a recipe and we will share that with you in our next video. So I'm gonna pull these two apart so that when we come back down with the sugar water, we can put it right in.
Gosh.
Man, it's stuck. I see a little gap. Woo, finally. Whoa.
Oh gosh. So
So we have some dead bees on this side.
oh my goodness, look, the little plastic thing.
Clean them out. Okay. Here. Let's put that in here. Right there.
No, the plastic thing's on there.
This goes here. They're looking for that sugar water. Oh yeah. This goes here.
Now.
And we're ready to put the top back on. So that was a really quick
Video.
inspection, but addition of our super. And we're going to continue to monitor these bees. Look, we're going to take a quick look into our sick hive. We still haven't taken that hive. We're going to have to take it and freeze it, we were told.
Freeze it.
Yeah, but we got to take it to somebody who has a big enough freezer because I think it kills any possible disease that might be in there. So
And then what are we gonna do?
then we're going to bring it back and maybe
You-
get another nook put in it.
Another what now?
A nook, which is just not a full hive. It goes inside of another colony of bees.
And then we were told we don't need this like plastic stuff on top of it. Whenever that guy came over, I wasn't here, I was at school. But yeah.
Yeah, yucky. We got full of ants. They're
Oh,
going
yeah.
after the propolis, the wax that's been made. So
There's like no wax.
okay, girls, make some honey for us. We want honey.
There will be. Maybe at the end of the
So-
year I can make these.
Okay, that's a quick video for today. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Turn it off, bud.
Yep.